Oh, there's one. Uh-oh, yes, it's 1-1. Getting the right height of the ball is very important. Oh, so close. Oh, what do we have?
3. I have 3.
Let's take a look. We have 4. We have 3. Who's going to get to 7 first?
Oh, come on.
Oh, I thought I was going to get that. Yes, very, very nice. 5. She just needs one more.
No way. What am I doing? Oh, I don't know what it is.
She got 7. Very, very nice. Very impressive. Do you want the $20 or what's in envelope number 4?
I'm
$20.
going with what's in the envelope.
Going with what's inside the envelope. I'm going to take the 20. Let's see what's inside the envelope.
Oh man, I lost on this one.